Hey guys, we're back.
Hey guys.
We're back with another Pokemon break. We're going to do something a little different here on Breaking 505. We came across a Pokemon card vending machine, or what do you want to call it? It's like those tattoo machines and whatever. But we've seen some people pull some crazy stuff out of these, so let's see what we can get out of this one. Alright, so we're going to start off. We're going to take 3 from the right side. We always start off with the right side. So, let's see. Ready?
I don't know. Let's see. Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Ready? Whoa, what's that?
It's a Squirtle.
It's a crazy Squirtle, but dude, the card is all beat to heck.
Ah.
But I mean, look at that.
Huh.
That's crazy. Wow, that's too bad.
Alright.
Last one, the right side.
Yeah. Third on the right. Let's see.
Ready?
Yeah. Let's see.
Uh-oh, finally got one turned around.
What the?
Oh, man. It says 2021.
Wow.
All right, let's do 3 on the left side.
Alright. I wonder what the oldest card you could pull from here could be.
Here we go. First one from the left side, right?
Yeah, this is number 1 left side.
All right, get a little bit surprised. Looks a little banged up.
What the?
2021, it says again. What do you think, you're gonna get VMAXs and alternate arts out of here?
I don't know what I expected, but
Just donating to the bowling alley right now. All right. Surprised again.
oh wow.
Looks a little dinged up. What's it gonna be?
The flower.
Oh man.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
This is the last one.
Yeah, last one. Let's see what this gets us. Oh.
Go.
Okay, last card. What is it?
Yeah, it's kind of beat up. What? Alright, so that was our first ever Pokemon vending machine, and yeah. But this card is kind of...
I think our second one wasn't so bad.
Look at that one. I mean, what is 1995? It says.
Oh
No way.
wow! I was wondering what's the oldest one.
Wow, but it's all beat up.
Aww.
But oh well, always blessed. Hope you enjoyed the video. So until the next one, guys, God bless and thank you for watching.